My name is Meha Jaiswal and I'm course leader for Fashion Media Communication and Professional Photography courses. Both the batches have displayed their works here. There are level 1 students from Fashion Media Communication and level 2 students of Fashion Media Communication. They have their magazines, they have put up their blogs, they have their films, they have showcased their professional photography works. Fantastic reviews we have got from industry, from journalists who have visited here. Fantastic work.
I teach them fashion journalism, so they do a lot of write-ups, newsletters, magazines, websites. They've completed 3 websites which has a lot of content, and those websites have gone live. It's got a fantastic response. You have above 1,500 people talking about those websites on Facebook and other mediums, so it's really doing good.
For our semester 6 project, we have to make a magazine, so we came up with Chauraha.
Now, why Chauraha? We had 4 distinctive sections: fashion, art, cinema and travel. And they were opposites, yet they sort of intervened, and our essence was to curate people that are work in progress. Indian crowd that is down to their roots, yet they're doing something that's edgy and contemporary. So that was the idea. So that's how we came up with Chauraha.
The course was pretty specific to what I wanted to do, and I thought it was a fixed path I could pursue my career on. So Anthem magazine actually is an amalgamation of 5 people. There are 5 members in the group, and we are pretty headstrong people, and we came up with this idea of bridging the distance between the backside of the fashion industry and the public. So instead of just showing about the glamorous side, we wanted people to know what actually happens way back in the back. Also, we wanted to talk about people having a fixed anthem in their life.
So when I first joined this course, I was looking at journalism, like writing. And now, because of the help of the faculty and different courses, I think my aim has totally been shifted to photography. So I think you learn a lot from this course, and you're forever growing when it comes to this course.
It's been so enriching because you come with a certain idea in your head, and then they really push you out of your comfort zone. So you explore things that you never even imagined that you can actually do. And now, like, we're all different people from where we started. So that's brilliant.
Gives you a very clear idea. Like when you're in your first year foundation, you don't know where you're headed, but 2 years down the line, you sort of, your faculty is there to support you always.
Plus, faculty is just so brilliant. They're all looking into you, and
plus you find yourself. Eventually you find your individual quality and that thing that guides you.
Currently, students have finished some 3 years. They've had at least 6 to 7 industry exposures. That gives them the confidence to face industry, to face the professional world. So tomorrow when they graduate, they will not be inconfident student-like. They are professionals ready to join.
The industry exposure is really great. Like you get to interact with guest speakers.
You're not
there in the industry. Like for our jury, for example, well, during Chauraha, we had someone from the publishing industry right there who was, analyzing our work.
I think I wouldn't have had this exposure in any other college, the kind that we've had here.
My students have been covered by Cosmopolitan magazine 18 times. Couple of students have written for Cosmo. They have written for FDCI's official blog. They have won social media contests for Fashion Design Council of India. And when I look at their work, I'm actually proud of it.